To a Nightingale by George Meredith. O Nightingale, how hast thou learnt the note of the nested dove, while under thy bower the fern hangs burnt, and no cloud hovers above? Rich July has many a sky, with splendor dim, that thou mightst hymn, and make rejoice with thy wondrous voice, and the thrill of thy wild pervading tone. But instead of to woo, thou hast learnt to coo. Thy song is mute at the mellowing fruit, and the dirge of the flowers is sung by the hours, in silence and twilight alone. O Nightingale, 'tis this, that makes thee mock the dove, that thou hast passed thy marriage bliss to know a parent's love. The waves of fern may fade and burn, the grasses may fall, the flowers and all, and the pine smells o'er the oak dells float on their drowsy and odorous wings. But thou wilt do nothing but coo, brimming the nest with thy brooding breast, midst that young throng of future song, round whom the future sings.